development. Like I said, I've always been fascinated by how websites are developed, because you open a website and it's redirecting you to another page, another page, another page. And I've always wanted to learn web development, and I'm so thankful to Benin Skill Fest for the opportunity to learn this skill. I'm truly grateful. So first of all, okay, when they tried connecting it, I said something like, I need a software, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is where you input your code and then you run it on your browser, any browser of your choice. I use Firefox browser. So this is the code for my, I created a website for a bakery called Cravings. I just came up with the name, Cravings, for a website, for a bakery called Cravings. It's just an order website, just like how we have Domino's Pizza anywhere. You can just go online, order something, and they deliver it to your house. That's what I created. But this one is for a bakery. So this is the index.php code is the first one you run. That is the home page. So when I run it on my browser, you see everything. This is just the code. Then I have the index.php is my front end. Then I have the admin. As you can see under admin, there are a lot: login.php, logout, backup, everything. That is the back end of the website. So this is the whole code. Really going through it, there are a lot of things under it. So, but then to fully run my website, I need a control panel called XAMPP. That's this. This is XAMPP control panel. When you download your XAMPP control panel, you make sure your Apache is running on MySQL. Your Apache is what shows the pictures. It sends the information to the website, like to show the images, or else without Apache, you will just be seeing words without the proper pictures. And MySQL is what stores your data. It stores your data. If I open the admin section of MySQL, this is the admin section of MySQL. You can see under Cravings, I have the same thing you saw before: feedback, portfolio, blah, 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 and everything. So this is the MySQL. It stores my data for my page. So if I do something on my website, the data is stored here. So now if I go directly to my page, this is the front end. That index.php you were seeing, the code, this is it. This is the website. This is, no need to scroll. If you click on the About Us, it will take you to where you get to find out about the bakery, Cravings Bakery, where flour meets passion. Okay, the homepage says bakery is an artisanal pastries and desserts. Artisanal there means it is handcrafted with the best ingredients, not just the one, and it is made in small scale compared to the ones that industry makes with just, this is handcrafted. So now if you check the promotions, like 15% off, 10% off, and all of that, testimonials of people that have bought things from the bakery. And then if you want to drop your feedback, you can send a message, and every single feature here is working. So now let's try to order. If I click on order now, it takes me to where the products are. So let's go down. And you will see some of the pictures are not showing, like this. It's sold out. And another one down. This is also sold out, so it's not there. So let's try to order something. Let's say the classic croissants. If I clicked on add to cart, it added. The honey cake added, and then the raspberry rose cake added. So if I click on my cart, you can see everything calculated. And then I talked about promotion. You can see this place, promotion code. So we can just go to where promotions is, copy one of the codes, like this 15% off, copy the code, and then go back to my cart, paste the code, and apply. Once you apply the code, now there's a 15% off. The product was once $26.60. Now it is $22.61 because of the promotion. That's 15% off. So now when you want to order, you put in a name. Let's go with like Patrick. The order that's gone. It's back to zero. So now this is my front end of the website. Now for the back end, this is where I just made an order. I'll show you where it will appear. So now this is just for the admin, for the person in charge of the website. The people using the website don't get to see this part, just the front end they see. So when I log in, this is my dashboard. It shows me everything about my website, the pantry, The pantry shows the things I'm running low in stock of, all the things I have in stock, things I need to restock on, and everything. Orders. Now, someone placed an order now. Patrick. I can just simply search for the name. Patrick. So if I go down, the name is showing Patrick because Patrick just placed an order. So it's showing baking currently, but once the status changes to delivered, the price in the revenue increases because revenue only shows the prices of things that have already been sold. And then the feedback, those feedbacks that were showing in the homepage, they are gotten from the dashboard. They are gotten from here. And then the promotions, and then the profile about the chef, and any change made in this place reflects on the homepage. That is the point of the back end. It's not just there for fancy. If I make a change here, it's meant to reflect on the homepage. So, and once I sign out, it takes me back to my login page, and then you can place your order on the page and I get the message. You can also place your order through the WhatsApp feature, and that's the major thing about my website. Thank you very much.